Hi everyone. Since my drawings on cloth were not very clear, so I thought I will draw and show it on paper to everybody how to draw tulips. Now tulip is the easiest flower to draw because only 3 petals are mostly shown. Sometimes you can even show your back petal, but it's not necessary. While coloring, I'll do most of the shading and I will give depth to the leaves. Then you will be able to understand where the leaves are folding and which side is underneath or which is up. Like when I am painting, maybe I'll bring this leaf like this and I'll show the center leaf, and side ones can go back, or I can even make it like this. I can show the side ones and the center one will be hidden. This is just a rough sketch, and many of the changes can be made while painting. Now tulips do not have the sepals. The sepals are not visible, so little you just have to lighten up the sepals. These are the sepals. So this portion has to be light green, pastel green, because most of the time the leaves are not, the sepals are not visible because of the flower. Now drawing of the leaf of a tulip is very easy. See, I am doing this in order to show that this leaf has folded here. When I have to draw a folded leaf, I just make it like this. I take it down like here, and then I leave it here somewhere like this. And then another leaf will come and join here. So this shows my fold. This line which is coming from here till here will show my fold of the leaf. The leaf is folding here. When I am painting, I have to be clear that this portion is light. I want to show that the rays of the sun are falling here, and this portion will be dark. See, like this. In the case of the peony, mostly it is done. In the case of a tulip, mostly it is done that one side is painted dark. See, like this. And then the other side of the leaf is usually painted a little light in color. It's like this. This is the shading. Then again I'll paint this portion. I'm just sketching here. When I'm painting, I'll tell you the movement of the is very important. If your leaf you are trying to show it's going up, then all your strokes should move up like this. Now this is here another petal, so I'm darkening up this side a little, and here also this is dark. Of course, from beneath it is coming out. and this will be light. Same when you are coloring, you have to show that this is from behind. So movement of your brush is very important. Here I am moving my pencil to show that this way the brush has to move. The brush has to move this way. Same when you are doing a petal. The underneath of the petal should be of a darker color. This portion dark. Now I have to paint this dark. This side is dark. This side of the leaf I am trying to show. I am sketching just now, but I am trying to show you this is the way the brush has to move. Now you will take a lighter shade and you have to move your brush like this and bring it here. This lighter shade will continue till here. So this will be a little light. This is the light and dark effect. And this side I have to move my pencil here like this in order to show you that the leaf has folded from here. Okay, now I'll paint and show. I'll paint on cloth and show it tomorrow. Thank you.